and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna rock with you.
Hey, YouTube, welcome back. Enjoy the rest of the videos that I've posted already. Like I said, here we're doing a high ball fade on this gentleman right here, and right now what I'm doing is I'm just going around the perimeter and just balling out the bottom half of the head. So right now, all I'm doing is just you know, as you see here, I'm just balling it out right now. And so I'm gonna speed it up right now. And as you notice, I just took the clippers and showed you that it is no guard and open all the way, closed all the way, so I can get a good clean ball. One guard, and so that one guard, what I'm doing is I'm doing my second step, and now I'm using the zero guard, and I'm going ahead and start fading in. And so yeah. So while we're, sitting around and talking and all that stuff, we like to have different conversations about different things, movies, shows, cartoons, whatever it is. It's just something just to keep let the time fly by. And so that's pretty much what we were doing at this time. Yeah, I turned down the audio on that part, but. I did two screens so that way you can see kind of the different angles. One to where you might see how I'm angling the cut and how I'm cutting the hair. I like to go down as I cut the weight out. A lot of times you can use your combs, or if you're comfortable using your clippers, you can do that also. So here I'm using a one guard again. I'm opening the guard, and now I'm showing you that I'm closing the guard, and I'm going up, getting the weight out. So as you notice, I'm also using my comb. I use the comb to get any like leftover hairs that's already cut, get it out, so that way if you are cutting in that area, you'll know that hair is already gone. So you take the comb and you comb it out. And just keep going around the perimeter, making sure that you getting that weight out and getting a perfect fade. And again, guys, man, I appreciate everything that you all done on the past videos. Again, I like to just let y'all know, please make sure that y'all subscribe and like my videos. And if you have any comments, make sure you leave some comments down below, okay? Thanks a lot. And if you see right here where I have him turned around now, you see the back side of where the second screen is at. You can see that it's on the fade is flowing, so it's starting to form. Probably noticed that I have that little brown brush right there on my arm, and I got my little guard holder on my arm, and I love that guard holder. I mean, it's wonderful. If I need my guards right there, it's right on my arm. I can just grab it. The little brush is when I use it to clean my clippers, make sure I don't have any weight in my clippers, because it can mess up. So right here, I'm showing you again my guard, and it's open. Just making sure that everybody is paying attention to those guards and what number it is and all that. So that way, if you are at home and you decide you can't get to a barber or whatever, and you want to try and cut it yourself, it's a good. Here's a good opportunity right here to be able to show. I'm being able to show you what guards used and what will help you get that weight out and get a perfect fade.
Beats on the track.
I kind of speed up my process, and then I slow it down so I can just kind of just show you how far I am, where I'm going, and how it's looking. So far, I'm enjoying the cut. I enjoy the cut all the time. It's something that I like to do, so I just make sure that they enjoy the cut. So when they get up out the chair, they're like, half of my clients are like in tears when they get that cut. They love the way their fade comes out. So, boy, some of these guys be like dapping me up 3 or 4 times before they leave. And yeah, so while I'm here and we're talking and watching the video, I'm also gonna do another tutorial. It's gonna be a temp fade, so y'all be looking out for that too. had to find this beat. You know, little mixture. Find a couple of mixture beats in the background. I like it sometimes. Smoothing.
Kano on the track.
I know you guys probably trying to find out what we're talking about. Man, it's a little bit of everything. I don't know what I be talking about some of the time. I just go with what they're saying. I'm not sure if you all noticed or not, but here I'm kind of close to being finished. I like to make sure that I don't have any other leftover hairs, you know, dark spots, and I just like to, as I'm doing my fade, once I feel like I'm finished with the fade, I like to go back around the head and make sure that the fade is clean. No, like I said, no leftover little hiccups or anything like that. So what I do is I just go right back around the perimeter of the head and make sure that I get out any other type of weight that I might have seen that I didn't see before. So I'm getting it now. So that way when I'm finishing up and I get ready to do the lineup and all that stuff, I'm good. I'm good to go. I'm ready. I'm ready to go on ahead and just say, hey, here you go. You ready? And now you can be on your way. So that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. I'm just cleaning up. So right here, now that I'm finished, now that I feel like I'm finished finishing the fade, so right here I'm shaping up the top of the hair, smoothing out the top, making sure that, you know, he's got a perfect shape, which he likes to box. So I'm shaping it up, boxing it. I mean, making sure I get around the top of the hair and cleaning it up. Also, making sure I don't have any waves. So yeah, like I said, now that I'm done with the fade, man, that high ball fade is pretty clean. It looks good. So man, I'm loving it. Most barbers out there, I'll also when I noticed that, you know, some might leave that front alone. Me personally, well, I'm not gonna say just me. The client also likes to have that front kind of cleaned up a little bit, and before I get ready to do the lineup, because they want to be able to not only see, they want to see that square, and not just that square. When I get ready to line up, they want to see that line. They want that crispy line. So yeah, when you do the front, you don't have to go all the way in. You just want to just clean it up just a little bit, not a lot, because then it'll look like it was pushed back, and you don't want to do that, because if you do that, then that lineup is not gonna look right neither. It'll look like you done pushed the lineup back too. So be careful. You do have to be careful. And also, what I do now here is I'm taking a comb and I'm making sure I comb forward. So any leftover hairs that might be hanging, I could take, when I'm getting ready to take the trimmers, I can take the trimmers and, you know, clean up really, really well, pretty much. So here, again, as you notice that I do speed up here and there. I'll speed it up and then I'll slow it down. I'll speed it up and then I'll slow it down, just so that way you'll be able to see, you know, where I'm going with it and where I'm at. Where I'm, you know, close to the finish line.
Have you ever had a dream that you
Oh my God!
Thank y'all for watching this video and enjoying the cut and me giving y'all a little class, what we can say. You know, I just, like I said, I enjoy what I do. I enjoy that they enjoy the cut as well as I do. And again, I just appreciate y'all again, and make sure y'all subscribe, push that like button, leave any comments if you have any. And I thank you.
You did it. You crazy son of a bitch, you did.